Everybody, it's Supergirl KY here again with another Cricut creation, and today we are going to be making these super easy, super cute candy wrappers. Let's get started by selecting a square in the canvas. Now we're going to be making them 5 by 6 if you're using a Hershey's bar. I changed the color to orange, and then I went searching for some spider webs. Found this really cute border right off the bat, added it to my canvas, copied it and pasted it and changed it to a pen, changed the size, and I just made it back to the 6 height. Went ahead and mirrored that. And to make sure it was in proper placement, again, like I said, I mirrored it, placed it right up in that upper corner. And then you're going to want to attach both of those when you're ready. Once I was satisfied with how all of that looked, I went ahead and I went searching for a spider to go along with my design. I didn't want anything too difficult because if I'm making this for Halloween, weeding would be a pain if it was anything too complicated. So I thought about doing it as a pen first, and I was like, no, I'll just put it as a vinyl sticker on top. So I adjusted the size, was satisfied, and again I continued changing the spider size until I came to a 1.5 inch wide spider, just so everything would fit. I then went to images and found this really cool Halloween graphic. And again, like I said with the spider, I didn't want to have to be weeding anything tedious, so I found this cool Happy Halloween graphic, like I said, shrunk it down, and I changed it to be a pen. So that way I can have the Cricut do most of the work, and I get to do a little bit of weeding, not too much. And as I said before, you want to make sure you attach everything so that it's nice and centered. Not that you have to, but then I sent it to the back just so the spider would show. I then went ahead and clicked Make It, and I got to work cutting it out. One thing I would advise that I learned is I would maybe set the actual pen marking towards the center so you don't have the Cricut roller going over the same part over and over and over again, kind of creating a watermark in the background, so to speak. But it all turned out good in the end. So I then grabbed my Hershey's bar, folded it all over nice and neat. And again, this is some super easy assembly. You just take your tape, put it down. You can add as much or as little tape as you would like. And then we are going to go ahead and just peel off our little spider and place him on there. If you want to, you could even use the spider as the tape instead if you want to go that route. I wanted to keep it on the front, so that's what I did. Now, the best part about these candy bar wrappers is, yes, they're functional and cute, but you can also just slide them right on off and go ahead and eat your chocolate. If you liked this Halloween candy wrapper idea, give this video a thumbs up. If you want to continue seeing some of these videos, go ahead and subscribe. And go ahead and click that bell if you want a notification every time I post a new video. As always, it has been a pleasure making this video for you guys, and have yourself a super day.